stick around quite long enough to make it. I apologize once again, I'm not enough. But it's not as if I mind that your heart ain't exactly breaking.
Now, growing up, never knew what life's going to bring. Just another day, another way to find escape from the heart of the city, the street that we used to creep on. Once called home, now all the brother gone that are locked up. Got me standing here alone, telling myself I gotta move on. Life of a minute's always on a mission. It's an adolescent that we gotta learn from this cold world. Two peas, but one side took the best of me. Coast West got me fighting for my life at night. Every demon's up on the height of cool.
I haven't ever really found a place that I call home. I never stick around quite long enough to make it. I apologize once again, I'm not enough. But it's not as if I mind that your heart ain't exactly breaking.
They hate you gay, little infant fucks everybody. A young thug, not a gangster but a missionary. The smarter world got me beefing with the system. Skipping school, gotta find motherfuckers try to get me. See, I took this lifestyle cause I see the lies that was taught to our kids, so I free my mind. Money rule the world, but don't let it ruin your mind. You could take control and for your soul, don't let it blur your eyes. Too many hates and faces, snake in this game. Corrupt the government and street from where we came. Even though we try to change, the pains remains. Most of the time, competing with life on yourself to blame. So how could I let it go? It's my life, my grind, it's my time to explode. So if I take another step to reach my goals, I'll be blessed to live as a human and leave as a ghost.
I haven't ever really found a place that I call home. I never stick around quite long enough to make it. I apologize once again, I'm not enough. But it's not as if I mind that your heart ain't exactly breaking.
Yo, got some violence trouble, so I can't stay home or gambling. Throwing all in life and scrambling, handling. They get the streets, they popping and banging. Every day it's like the same shit with the way that I have to live. Rich niggas talking bullshit cause I had to feed my attitude. Being bad was cool, y'all don't mad at me, so please don't fucking flatter me. Bitch niggas bogus acting, blame me for my action. Catch me at it, snapping back and sniping back is my only reaction. Ain't no one know what I've been through. Throw my middle finger at my city, skipping sleeps. Got my soul feeling filthy, is a pity. Collect the penny, sipping on the Henny. Demons kicking with me when I'm gone, will they even miss me? Traveling through these struggles, drama coming up in Romans. Every turn with mistakes, sticky pics with my hands today. I'm a young man living by a May code. If you don't like it, y'all can taste my motherfucking rainbow.
I haven't ever really found a place that I call home. I never stick around quite long enough to make it. I apologize once again, I'm not enough. But it's not as if I mind that your heart ain't exactly breaking. I haven't ever really found a place that I call home. I never stick around quite long enough to make it. I apologize once again, I'm not enough. But it's not as if I mind that your heart